Hello everyone, can you solve this problem? 3 and 3 over 4 divided by 1 and 2 over 3 divided by 5 over 4. To solve this problem, the first thing we have to convert all mixed number into improper fraction. Let's convert 3 and 3 over 4. 4 times 3 equals 12, and 12 plus 3 divided by 4, and now the fraction become 15 over 4. Now let's convert the second mixed fraction 1 and 2 over 3. 3 times 1 plus 2 divided by 3, and the mixed fraction become 5 over 3. And now we rewrite the equation 15 over 4 divided by 5 over 3 divided by 5 over 4. Remember the rule, fraction divided by fraction. So we keep 15 over 4 here. Then we change divided by multiplication. And then we flip 5 over 3 to 3 over 5. And then also we change the second divided of division operation, then we flip 5 over 4 to 4 over 5. So now the equation become 15 over 4 times 3 over 5 times 4 over 5. As you can see here, 15 divided by 5 become 3, and then 4 cancel out. 3 times 3 divided by 5, and the result is 9 over 5, or we can convert to mixed fraction 1 and 4 over 5.